Here's a quick guide on how to use the Afterpay feature on Cash App. First, open Cash App on your phone and make sure it's updated to the latest version. On the home screen, tap the Money tab at the bottom left corner. Then scroll down until you see the Afterpay section under Manage. If you don't see Afterpay on your screen yet, don't worry, the feature is still rolling out to users. To improve your chances of getting it, make sure your Cash App is fully verified with your legal name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your SSN. Also, try to use your Cash App card regularly for purchases, since activity helps unlock new features like Afterpay. Keep your app updated and check back in the Money tab every few days to see if it appears. If you already have Afterpay, tap it to view your available spending limit. This shows how much you can use for your next order. If it's your first time, agree to the Afterpay terms and link your account when prompted. Next, tap Shop with Afterpay to browse partnered stores directly inside Cash App. When you find something you want to buy, select Pay with Afterpay at checkout. Cash App will automatically use your available limit and split your total into 4 equal payments. Your first payment is charged right away, and the remaining 3 will be automatically deducted every 2 weeks. You can track your upcoming payments inside Cash App by going back to the Afterpay section. It'll show your remaining balance, due dates, and completed orders. If you ever want to increase your limit, pay off your existing orders on time. Cash App reviews your repayment history and may raise your available balance over time. If this guide helped you, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe so we can continue helping others.